Today, we will learn about singular and plural. What is singular and plural? For this, you have to take out the lesson number 3 of your English 2 book and open page number 19. Students, on this page, you can see there are so many pictures given. They are divided into two columns, A and B. In column A, the pictures which are given in column A, they are single, only one, and in B column, they are more than one. So students, you may find the difference here. The words in column A refer to singular nouns or just one. They are just one in number. In column A, there is one rose, one duck, one puppy, one child. Whereas in column B, they are more than one. There are 3 roses, 5 ducks, 2 puppies, 4 children. So, if any item is one, then we will call it singular. If it is one, it is single and we call it singular. If it is more than one, then we will call it plural. So students, I hope you've understood it. If anything is one, we will call it singular. If it is more than one, then it will be plural. Now, you can take out page number 20 and you can see the definition here. The nouns that stand for just one are called singular. Means that if any noun is just one boy. If there is only one boy, it will be singular. If more than one boy, then we will call it boys. If there is only one boy, we call it boy. If there is more than one boy, then we call it boys. So one boy will be singular and boys will be plural. The nouns that stand for more than one are called plurals. So nouns, names or things or places. If they are more than one, we will call it plural. If they are only one, we will call it singular. So here you can see in singular, we have only one person or thing. Singular, king. Plural of king will be kings. So if there is only one king, we will say king. And if we will say there are more kings, there are more than one king, then we will call it kings. We add s to it. Pupil is singular and pupils is plural. Bubble is singular. If one bubble is there, then we will call it bubble and it is singular. And if there are more bubbles, we will add s to it, bubbles, and it will be plural. Baby. The plural of baby will be babies. Ox is singular and oxen is plural. Fish is singular and the plural of fish will be fish. Now you can see mouse is singular and the plural of mouse is mice. Pencil is singular and if there are more pencil, it will be plural and we will add s in the end of pencil and it will be pencils. Party is singular and then we will add ies to parties and then it will be plural. Child is singular, child is one, so we will call it singular. And if there are more childs, 5 child or 3 child are standing, we will call it children. Fairy is singular and fairies is plural. Man is singular and men is plural. So students, how do we make plural? we make plural, generally what we do is we add s in the end of the at the end of the singular noun which is given. For example, boy is singular, and to make it plural, what we will do is we will add s after y. So it will be boys. Another example, girl. Girl is singular. To make it plural, we will add s in the end of girl, and it will be girls. And girls is plural. So generally, we make plurals by adding s to the nouns. For example, pencil is singular, and if we add s in the end, it will be pencils. Bridge is singular, and we will add s to make it bridges, and it will be plural. House is singular, we will add s in the end, and it will become houses, and it will be plural. Phone is singular, and to make it plural, we will add s in the end, and it will become phones. Well is singular, and we will add s in the end to make it wells, and it will change into plural. So all that item which is 1 in number, we will add s in the end to make it plural. But it is not for all the words. There are many words in which we add es or ies to make it into plural. So students, there is an exercise given on page number 21, exercise A. Change the following nouns into plurals by adding s. So you just have to add s in these words which are given there to make it into plural, to change into plural. So cap is singular, and to change it into plural, what will you do is you will add just s. So it will become caps. Hen is singular, and to change it into plural, you'll write hens. You will add s in the end, h-e-n-s. Chart is singular, and you will add s to it. It will become charts. Cup is singular, and to make it plural, you will add s in the end, and it will become cups. Book is singular. To make it plural, you will add s, and it will become books. Books is plural. Frock is singular, and if you will add s, it will become frocks. Banana is singular, and you will add s to it, and it will become bananas. Ladder is singular, and you will add s in the end, and it will become ladders. Table, singular, and the plural will be tables. Friend is singular, and you will add s to it, it will become friends, and it is plural. Brother, singular, and brothers will be plural. Day is singular, and if you will add s to it, it will become days. So students, I hope you've understood it. In the next class, we will learn more about it. As I told you, not in all the words we add s. In few words we add, in some other words we add es, ies to change it into plural. So we will learn about it in our next class. For today, you have to do this exercise on your own, which is given on page number 21. And we will continue this chapter in our next class also. Thank you so much. Take care.